Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor comfort with the ultimate companion for any adventure, the Matador Pocket Blanket. Now, let me start by saying, if you're in the market for a reliable, versatile outdoor blanket, look no further. The Matador Pocket Blanket is the cream of the crop, offering unmatched convenience and quality. You're planning a day out in nature, whether it's a beach picnic, a park rendezvous, or a music festival. You need a blanket that's compact, durable, and easy to set up. That's where the Matador Pocket Blanket shines. Despite its spacious 63 by 44 inch size when unfolded, this blanket folds down to a mere 4.5 by 2.7 by 1.1 inches, fitting snugly into its attached storage pouch. It's like magic. But wait, there's more. This blanket isn't just about convenience. It's also packed with thoughtful features. Integrated stakes ensure a secure grounding, while corner sand pockets keep it anchored on breezy days. No more chasing after your blanket. Crafted from ripstop fabric with an enhanced waterproof coating, this blanket is built to withstand the elements. Whether you're lounging on grass or sand, rest assured, you're covered, literally. Now, let's talk versatility. The Matador Pocket Blanket isn't just for picnics. It's your go-to companion for any outdoor activity. From beach trips to concerts, camping to hiking, this blanket does it all. So there you have it, folks, the best Matador Pocket Blanket on the market. Compact, durable, and endlessly versatile, it's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Until next time, happy adventuring!